IT Service Provider University helps you improve the business side of your business.
Hi, this is Carl, and this is a super quick intro to 5W15, Automate Your Accounting with QuickBooks and Integrated Apps. This is an amazing class taught by Rayanne Buchianico, who is an amazing teacher, and she's always updating this class every time she teaches it, so you know it is super fresh with the latest details, the latest apps, and the latest reports and programs that you should be using inside your company. This is great for your pathways to certification in management as well as front office. And here is a little bit of what we're going to cover. You will learn how to master QuickBooks Online configuration and setup, integrate QuickBooks Online with your PSA or CRM and other tools, understand and generate the most important reports for your business, learn how to track money as it flows into and through your business, and apply financial strategies to maximize your efficiency and profit. Check out all the details on this class and all the classes we offer at itspu.com and learn how you can get started on the path to your professional certification.